Hello there. Thank you very much for joining us in today's presentation. We looked at executive summary and abstract writing in our previous sessions. Today we are going to look at introduction and background. I'm going to give you snippets on this. The links are on the website and also on this lesson. You can click on them, go through them, reread the content so that you are well versed with the content. It gives you a competitive advantage to do that. Basically, it means that you are doing beyond the normal average person. So on this website, on this part of the website, we have a writing report. We have a executive summary. You can read about it. You can read about abstract, introduction, a background. So we are looking today on introduction, basically. So when you have written your background, then you need to write your introduction that will help you to capture what needs to be captured. So we are looking at introduction together with the background. Therefore, this gives a foundation or gives the fundamentals of of what we are doing. So as we are looking at the introduction, we are saying that it's important that your introduction and it serves the purpose of leading the reader from a general subject area to a particular field of research or field of conversation because it's a report writing. So your introduction basically it's conducted by summarizing current understanding and the background information. For example, if we are doing a field study of a certain area, then you need to have the context. What's the context like? What is the background of the people that you are talking about like? So we need to state the purpose of the work, and it forms the research question of the hypothesis and explains also the rationale of what we are discussing. So we have the importance of a good introduction here. Why am I investigating what I'm investigating? What did we know about the topic before I did the study? So it gives us those tips. How will my research, if I'm interviewing people who are malnutrition, people who are struck by hunger, how did they reach here? So it explains all that. So a well-written introduction is important because quite simply, you never get a second chance to make a good first impression. So basically what you are saying is that a good introduction gives you the first impression. It gives the reader the first impression of who you are and what you are doing. So the structure of an introduction basically is it helps you to begin writing. What is this? Why am I reading this? So it answers those questions from the audience angle, and generally it has phases of areas to highlight, identify the niche, and place your research or your whatever you're doing into a proper context and niche. So we have gone further and it showed the delimitation of what we are doing. What is it going to delimit us from? As I said, that we need to always engage the reader. Is to or the purpose of an introduction is basically to engage the reader, to make the reader to read your report, to read your paper, whatever you have written. Then the background bit, we have also covered it here. We have given the importance of the background. It helps, the information herein helps to expand upon the key points stated in the introduction. We are saying that the background has a structure that needs a style that is very, very focused. So again, you'll go through this and it provides information in the introduction of a research paper or a report that helps you to become better. Basically, they give this particular background. So therefore, please go through this before you respond to the next question. All this is put on the link with we have the we have the instructions on the link. In addition, I'd like to mention that in the link of the lesson, we have an assignment on introduction and background attached to it. So look at the assignment, go through it, and respond to it appropriately. So you are told that assignment 3 is attached in lesson learning material section. Download, work on it, and upload it in the as a result of what you've done. Then we have transition words. These are important, very important in our writing. They help us to move from one sentence to another flawlessly and smoothly. Therefore, we need to apply them. I have attached them there. Go through them and use them continuously in your writing, even at work. Thank you very much for listening to me. I believe that you've picked one or two things from the session, and you'll be able to apply not just in the assignments, but also in your day-to-day work.